Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did just do a small haul from Walgreens tonight, you guys, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got. I do plan on going back to Walgreens before this week ends to do this deal again because I really think that this is a great deal. So right now I'm about to just go over these items, let you know how much they cost, what coupons I used. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing we will start with will be the pizzas. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to start with is going to be the Digiorno pizza. So the Digiorno pizza is buy one get one free this week at Walgreens, and the price varies by store. At my store, these pizzas are $6.99. I know I have seen some people get them for $7.49 or $7.99, but at my store, they are $6.99. So buy one, get one free. There is a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. So I know at first there were some people confused because they wasn't sure if the digital coupon would work on a free item, but I'm going to show you guys my receipt and confirm to you guys that the digital coupon did come off. So let's take a look at my receipt right here. Okay, so right here, as you can see, buy one get one free. So 2 did ring up at $6.99 and 2 did ring up free. And as I scroll right down here, you can see that the $5 off coupon did come off, and I did only purchase 4 pizzas. Okay, so let's go over that again. So the Digiorno pizzas are buy one get one free this week. Again, your price may vary. Okay, mine were $6.99. I only purchased 4, and the $5 off digital coupon did come off, as I just showed you guys. So the next item that I'm going to talk about is the Listerine. Okay, so this is one of the bottles that I got. This is the 1 quart bottle, and this one was priced at, as you can see my receipt right here, that one was priced at $6.29. I also got the smaller bottle, which is the 500 milliliter for $4.99. Now with the Listerine this week is you will receive 5,000 points when you spend $10 on Listerine products, selected Listerine products. So what I did was I just went into Walgreens and I went on the Listerine aisle, and I made sure that I read the tags, and I made sure that I saw exactly which products were tagged to receive the 5,000 points when you spend $10. So I saw it. So I personally got this one, and I got this smaller one right here. Like I said, this one was priced at $6.29 and this one was priced at $4.99. So that right there, I'm already over $10. So I was eligible to get the 5,000 points. But here's the thing, it is a spend deal. The deal is get 5,000 points when you spend $10. So since it says spend, and since it's a spend deal, you cannot use points, because if you do, you will not receive your points. Whenever you have a spend deal, you want to always make sure that you pay out of pocket with your own money. Do not use points, or else you will not get your points. Okay, now if this said get $5, get 5,000 points when you buy 2, then you would then be able to use points and also get points. So if it's a spend deal, don't use points. If it's a buy deal, you can use points. So I hope that made sense. And so I also used a get 5,000 points when you spend $20 as well. Okay, so that's the deal with that. I do plan on going back to take advantage of that deal before this week ends. All right, so the very last item that I have right here is the 12-pack cans of the 7-Up soda. So these are on sale this week, 3 for $7.99. Ibotta has a rebate back for 75 cents. The limit is 5. Okay, but the rebate is only valid for the lemon lime flavor and the cherry flavor. So as you can see, I purchased 3 12 packs, and so I did as of right now, my Ibotta receipt is pending. And then I also got back an additional 10 cents from Ibotta because of the any item receipt. So 75, I got back 75 cents 3 times plus the 10 cents, which was I think like $2.35. So that is currently pending right now. Usually my receipt from Walgreens updates overnight. Now, whenever I do use Ibotta, whenever I shop at Walmart, my receipt automatically updates. And for the most part, when I shop at Walgreens, sometimes it takes a little bit of time before it to update, because when I did scan my receipt for this specific transaction, it only was able to pick up 1 pack of the 12 pack of 7-Up, but I purchased 3. And as you can see right here, I did purchase 3, but for some reason Ibotta only picked up 1. So I had to scan the barcodes, and now my receipt is pending. And I'm guessing because I did that, it made my receipt pinned a little bit longer, because it doesn't normally pin this long, but we shall see. If anything goes wrong, I will just write customer service and take a picture of the items, show them my receipt, and I'm pretty sure it should be fine. Okay, and so yes, you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys these deals. So let me just oh, and one more thing. When you purchase 2 boxes of Digiorno pizza, you will receive a $1 off register reward. But when you purchase when you purchase 4 boxes of Digiorno pizza, you will receive a $2 off register reward, which is what I have in my hand right here. I did purchase 4, and this $2 off register reward printed off for me. So let's go ahead and go over my receipt right here. So again, I do have Digiorno, 4 boxes of Digiorno pizza. 2 did ring up at $6.99. I did get 2 for free. I did get 3 of the 12 pack of 7-Up sodas. Then they are 3 for $7.99. As you can see right here, I did get the Listerine for $6.29 and the 500 milliliter Listerine for $4.99. And as I told you guys, I used a get 5,000 points when you spend $20. Also, on these 7-Up packages right here, I was able to find 2 50-cent off Pillies. So I was going to the store. I had already had my stuff calculated, but instead I got an additional $1 off my order because I had no idea that I was going to find the little Pillies. So be on the lookout for that, you guys. Look for the Pillies, and I just took the Pillies off. And so that's where the 2 50-cent off coupons came from. And as you can see right there, the Digiorno pizza $5 off of 3 coupon did come off. And then I also used a $3 off register reward from last week. And so that brought my overall subtotal to $24.25, not including the sales tax. And I wanted to show you down here that I did get back 10,000 points right here where it says bonus points. I did get back 10,000 points. 5,000 for the spend $10 to get 5,000 points from the Listerine. And then also right here, the 5,000 points when I spend $20 in the transaction. And I did pay for this out of pocket because these are spend deals. So I did not use any points, and that is why you see right here I did get my 10,000 points. Also, okay, so brought my overall total to $24.25. I got back my 10,000 points, which brought my total down to $14.25. Minus the $2 off register reward that I got from the Digiorno pizza, which brought my total down to $12.25. Minus the $2.35 that I will be getting back from Ibotta, which brings my total down to just $9.90. So I have a total of 9 items right here. And when you divide that $9.90 by 9 items, that makes each one of these items just $1.10, which is amazing, you guys. What grocery store can you go to and get some Digiorno pizza for $1.10? What grocery store can you go to get a 12-pack of sodas for $1.10? What grocery store can you go to and get some Listerine for $1.10 besides the travel size? So this is an amazing deal, you guys. And even if you don't have a $3 off register reward, if you aren't able to find any pillies, or if you don't have the Ibotta offer, I personally think that it would still be a great deal to do because you're not paying full price. You guys' transaction may be a little bit different from mine, depending on how many registered rewards or if you are using any type of coupons. But I'm going to always come on here and show you guys exactly how I did my transaction, you know, to give you guys an idea of how you can plan out your transaction. Okay, another thing that I wanted to mention, you guys, is if you are not using Ibotta, click the link in my description box below so that you can sign up and start using Ibotta, because if you are not using it, you are missing out. When you click the link in my description box and use my referral code, you will get $20 when you redeem your first purchase. That is an easy way to get $20, you guys. You can send that $20 right to your PayPal account. You can redeem it for a gift card. I will also have my Ibotta referral code on the screen so that you guys can use it. And also, you guys, don't forget to also use the Fetch Rewards app, because just from this transaction right here, I didn't have any qualifying items on the app when I scanned my receipt. But if you don't have any qualifying items, you will always get 25 points for just scanning your receipt, period. Okay, so I did get 25 points back for just scanning my receipt. So that's 25 points, you guys. So always make sure you scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards, because that is an easy way to build your points so that you can redeem for gift cards. Okay, also the Fetch Rewards website is also in my description box below, and I will also have my referral code on the screen for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a small haul, but I just still wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got today. Also, you guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you guys have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. And also, you guys, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is the same as my YouTube channel name, which is Saving with Shaniqua. I do post over there quite often, so I would appreciate if you guys can give me a follow over there. Also, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.